What's up guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Tonight we are here at the IC3 here in Cebu City to watch Maha Salvador concert. And if you haven't watched my previous vlog about the CMS anniversary, go check out the link below. And it's actually my first time seeing Maha Salvador. I don't know if she's gonna dance or sing or whatever, but I know she surely dance. Let's go!
Talking in my sleep at night, begging myself crazy. Why don't pick up the phone? You know the little I'm drunk and alone. Minute back, so you give me a minute.
What's up guys, before we truly enjoy the concert, I need to take a break for a moment because I need to go to the restroom. I do apologize. I'm so haggard Versosa today because I've been to a whole day event with CMS and I think I'm running out of energy, but I need to re-energize and find a restroom so that we can enjoy the concert of Maha Salvador. And oops, I will take you here because you know Okay guys, sumanata og ato sa CR og do our own thing. So let's go back to the concert and I feel like re-energized already. So let's go back and sana lang kulang nako para fully re-energized. Kape? No. Pani hapon. It's almost already 9 PM and wala pa mid-dinner. So need to go back. Okay, nagpalit silang food, sina Idas, silang Junji. So good thing nga okay na nila. And then kotasbay. Okay, let's go back guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share peace and love, and enjoy the concert.
Excited po ako dahil buong gabi tayo magkakantahan at buong gabi tayo magsasayawan. Okay lang ba yun? Play that music. Locking healing. Buong gabi. Can you clap your hands? Tayo sasayaw. Asan? The name is Smoke Machine po. Ready ka?
I love you, Kakay!
I'm beautiful, power, nothing's all the same. I'm on the right track, baby, I'm on this way. Be a drag, just be free, don't be a drag. Ay, ano ba to? Brace yourself. Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Aba naman, maayong gabi! Seguaras! Ba't mo pinipisilog? Best kasi flat yung dede ko. Ayan, inaayos ko lang. Ay, mas maganda ba ako kay Maha sa personal? Sorry, mas maganda ba ako sa personal? Tanong mo ikaw. Maganda din ba ako sa personal? Ay, parang ayaw nila, oh. Saan ka nakatira? Abangan kita. Hindi mo kabisadong si Buboy. Baby love? Baby love, ang tagal-tagal mo. Ano ba yan? Pinapanti mo yung beauty ko. Kung makahawak ng kamay. Andiyan yung mga tita ko tsaka tito. Conservative sila. Wow. Iwan mo na kita. Meron dito. Oh, iwan mo na kita.
Balikan mo ah.
Mamaya na, kasi namin tao. O, ikaw na muna bahala dyan, ha? Dahan lang. Pwede niyo ba kanta kayo for me? Oo lang.
And that's it for Maha's concert. It was a blast. It was full of music, dance, hype, and energy. Alright. So that is my vlog for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Taba kayo and I hope you can hear me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share, peace and love. Bye-bye!